3y to the 0 power minus 4y to the 0 power is equal, let's take a look, we have 3, y to the 0 is equal 1 minus 4y inside of the parentheses, everything raised to power 0 is also equal 1. Okay, so I have 3 times 1 is equal 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is equal 2. This is equal to if y is not equal to 0. Okay, so make sure that y is never going to be equal 0. Now, let's take a look at this example. Remember, we have formula which says anytime we have the same base, we're supposed to keep the base and subtract the exponents, the formula for the division of the variables or numbers with the same base. Now, remember also, anytime we do not have exponent, there is always invisible one. Okay, that's why I'm going to keep the base. 2 minus 3, have to subtract the exponents, minus 1. That's why I'm going to have 2 minus 3 minus 1 is equal to negative 4. Remember, anytime we have number or variable with the negative exponent, we're supposed to convert that exponent to positive. How we can do that? Simply find the reciprocal and change the sign next to the exponent from negative to positive. That's why I'm going to have 1 over 2 to the 4th power is equal 16. This is the solution to my problem. Let's take a look at the third example. Okay, I have 3 raised to power 0. This exponent is going to affect only number 3. Why? Because I do not have parentheses. So exponent is going to always affect the number which is immediate to the left of the exponent. Okay, so I have negative 3 to 0 is equal 1 over 5 to negative 1. Okay, now to make long story short, okay, let me show you very nice trick. Okay, anytime you want to convert negative exponent to positive, okay, especially when the number is the part of the fraction, okay, so simply just move this whole number from the denominator to the numerator and automatically this exponent is going to be positive. Okay, so that's why I'm going to have minus 1 times 5 to the first, okay, because we moved this 5 to the numerator, what left? Just 1. We cannot say that nothing left over here, is always 1. So I'm going to have minus 1 times 5 is minus 5 over 1. That's why minus 5 divided by 1 is minus 5. This is the solution to my problem.